Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my 2014 Acura TL Tech package at 81,000 miles. So I had this vehicle for quite a while. Haven't done a video on it for quite a while as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit about my car. Some minor chips here and there, of course, with the beak. So some rock chips. Actually, I had this replaced initially with big rock hit it as well. So the beak is not 100%. Actually, it's not real metal, so let's keep that in mind. The look is still there. I got rock chips here and there because I drive 90% on the freeway. Got windshield replaced, got the brakes done at 80,000 miles or so. The gloss is still there, looks really good. The tint, it's just amazing. The seats in the back still just like new because they never used much at all. And let's take a look inside. I'm gonna power it on. Maybe rev the engine a little bit and show you how is it like right now. So I got the driver one key in my pocket right here. Keyless start, of course. This car definitely rocks with all the power. Yeah, accelerating. Definitely doesn't skimp out on power. If you have more than 3 people in the car, of course your acceleration may slow down. So that's what I noticed. Seats and materials are pretty good. I mean, they last pretty long. And this is a 2014 model. I mean, I know there's a TLX out there right now, and the TLX may be more refined and such for the material. But this is 2014, so 2014 is really good. I actually was contemplating TLX as well. One thing on besides the beak, the other thing is the Bluetooth is not the best. It does drop calls and interference, noise, and occasionally it loses connection. And the leather on the steering wheel is still holding up, as you can see right here. Still in great shape. The whole car is still really in excellent shape. I kept it in good shape as well, so I didn't really, not take care of it. I took care of it. So, like I mentioned, I got my brakes done around 80,000 miles. That's when they're really almost none. So it does cost quite a bit of dealership. The armrest is still in great shape. There's no damage to it. What's broken? We're pretty much mechanically, there's nothing broken. Paint, yeah, there's some chips. It hasn't rusted or anything like that. So overall, the quality of the Honda product, the TL product, or Acura TL, is really great shape. And like I mentioned, there's no mechanical problems. 100,000 miles is the major service, so keep that in mind if you're looking for a used one. 100,000 miles, you're gonna have to do the timing belt, the water pump, spark plugs, anything else you didn't do before. So keep that in mind. I'm at 81,000 miles, so I got some little time still left. I wouldn't wait till 100,000 maybe exactly. I'm getting okay mileage. I do get into traffic jams and stuff like that over there in my commute. So I get about 22.6 or so average, and varies. Mine has a GPS. The sound system, the ELS, is really great. Very nice sound system. One of the better ones. There's some fit and finish issues here, I could point out. They're minor, as I discover over time. Maybe it'll get better in the newer models, I assume. But no car is perfect, so keep that in mind. So if you're looking for a 2014 Acura TL, you might want to consider this one. There's actually a super handling all-wheel drive, but I didn't buy that model, which I thought I should have maybe looked at it more carefully. Show you a little bit on the back and the wheel. I got my brakes. 2 sets of tires already, just on my second set. So eventually I will get another set of tires when this one wears down. I do rotate the tires. Okay, I'm gonna show you a quick thing in the back. Everything still looks really good. Spoilers still hanging on. And that's it. Hope you give me a thumbs up. I really need one. And see you next time. Bye.